Hey everybody, Sci-Fi Mahler here. Okay, so working on my Millennium Falcon from MPC, I went ahead and got the Photoetch parts on these exhaust grills, and I just wanted to bring up the point that going through, there aren't that many videos really that show how to use Photoetch as far as applying them. Most videos I've seen, they say use crazy glue, but I found this one product. It is MIG Ultra Glue, and it says it's specifically made for Photoetch. And the thing is, it gives you time to place the Photoetch in position and move it around till it's just right. And then when it dries out, it dries out clear. You can go ahead and it's white. It's like a white glue. You thin it a little bit with water, and you apply it. You lay down the Photoetch, and then you're able to move it around with tweezers till it lines up just right. Because the last time I did this on a smaller model of Millennium Falcon, the 144 scale, one of these grills was angled the wrong way, and with crazy glue it just dries up like in 2 seconds and you're done. Whatever it is whatever it is. So this gives you like at least a good 30 seconds to go ahead and put it in the right place and press down on it, blob up the extra with a Q-tip, and let it dry. So this works really well. Just want to let you guys know about that little tip there. I don't like using crazy glue. It just sets the parts too quickly, you know. All right, till next time. Oh, one other note, that the Photoetch also came with some fans for these parts, so I'm going to install those as well. And okay, I will continue on. Maybe not today, but hopefully next time I make a video, this will be all primed up, ready for paint. All right, have a good one, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks.